Hi ladies, I will show you how to make easy flowers from paper. Making paper roses in the plastic vase. You will require paper with this measurement. You can use cardstock or origami paper to create this flower craft. First step, fold the paper following the instruction. Then cut the paper with petals shape like this. To make paper roses, you will need 6 paper. With the help of pen or glue stick, curl the edge of paper like this. It will make your paper petals look realistic. 3 paper to create rose pistils and the other 3 paper to make rose petals. Flip this petals part and bend in the center just like this. Now, we will make the rose pistils. To make your paper rose pistils looks beautiful, please pay attention on how I glue each part. Your paper rose pistils is done. Now, glue the petals part. When you glue this part, place pistils in between the petals like this. Glue in the edge of paper to create blooming petals looks. Your paper roses is done. It's very easy, right? Let's complete it with stem and leaf. Making stem is very easy. Just roll the green paper like this. Cut on the tip and glue the stem to paper flower. Now, let's make easy paper leaf. Your paper roses is complete, but it will be perfect if we put this paper flower bouquet in vase. I have this empty plastic cup and will recycle it into vase. Cover the bottom of plastic cup with paper like this. Now arrange your flower. I want my flower's face with different height, so I'm adjusting by cutting the stem. If you have floral foam, that will be good. But if you don't have, you can use this instruction to glue your flower to plastic vase. It is optional, but I prefer to cover the plastic vase with paper like this. Here the final result. Paper flower vases for decoration. It's very easy, right? If you like more paper craft and handmade flower tutorial, here video recommendation for you. Thanks for watching and see you on my next tutorial.